Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2024 Forest River ROCKWOOD Mini LITE 2511S. Huge rear bathroom, nice living area space, wardrobe slide in the bedroom, great couples camper. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, standing through entry door looking in. You got your slide in the living area. Your bedroom up front. Standing in the bedroom looking back, you got the large bathroom. That's where we're going to start. We are looking at the lighter cabinet, lighter fabric of their options. The bathroom has got its own private door. Glass enclosed shower door. As you can see, good size shower. The skylight, I'm 6'5", I'm not even in it. So good headroom in the shower. Nice room around that foot flush toilet. Heat ducts in the bathroom. Got little LED lights down low. Nice spot for our trash can. This is that griddle that's in the box we'll take a look at here shortly. Good storage. Nice room behind the sink that you don't see in a lot, and your medicine cabinet, receptacles. You still get AC duct and Maxxair fan with the cover on the roof. So nice large bathroom, enough room to change in here. So 3 distinct separate rooms: bathroom, living area, bedroom. Living area wise, as soon as you come in, you've got pantry or adjustable shelves where you can hang clothes. Your WeRV control, you get the app on the phone, you can control your slides, your awning, check your holding tanks, your lights, all from one convenient area. Again, heat ducts, your fuse panel, circuit breakers, fire extinguisher, some nice little hanging hooks here. Your 12-volt refrigerator freezer. So the new Mirror Magic Chef front is 12 volt. And you can open the doors either side. How awesome is that? And one feature in here we'll take a look at, or two. They've gotten very good about organization. So all your goodies, your breakdowns, your manuals, all in a convenient book that you can store, not all over the place. Your tire monitoring system, check your temperature, pressure, holding tanks, or air in the tires, all from one convenient piece of equipment here that will go inside and plug into your 12-volt adapter, but a nice safety feature that ROCKWOOD includes for you. Your theater seats, so they beefed those up a little bit, changed them up. You got the charging area, storage, the pull cord is here in the side, maybe. Nice room. And then you've got the tables here. In a second, we'll take a look at those that swing, give you a nice area to eat. All right, so the shelf will turn. You can adjust the height. You can adjust the angle, turn it whichever way is comfortable. There's 2 locks, and the table comes right out. You can remove the pedestal as a whole altogether, but there's 2 of them. You can put one on either side. And if you're taller or need more room, you can adjust the height to make it more comfortable. That is directly across from your 12-volt smart TV. 32-inch swing arm gives you access to the back. Nice storage, nice fireplace, which is You got your large oven, 3-burner range with LED lights, drawers that pull out, good storage. You've got 2 separate covers here to give you more countertop space, large 1 stainless steel sink, and receptacles throughout, lights, microwaves at a good height, and you do exhaust outside on this. Good storage. Your solar controller is in a convenient location. All of your windows, we've got the nice roller shades, overhead lighting, and shocks that hold up the doors for you. Countertop extension, nice solid surface countertops. Again, more heat ducts. Solid door closing off the bedroom, and a magnet that keeps that door shut. We did equip this with a TV in the bedroom. Nice little storage drawer there, heat duct, and 2 AC ducts in the bedroom. You got a nice vent here, and your second slide gives you this wardrobe storage, hanging storage, or shelves. You got charging areas, receptacles on both sides of the bed. The bed, you got storage there and drawers down low, and a nice solid frame on the bed there. Storage, fire escape window does open, and you got roller shades, and you got hanging storage and overhead cabinetry. The front windshield also has a roller shade to close that off, and I mentioned the TV is a DVD combo. So you put your DVDs in the bedroom, swing it out, and you got a nice area to watch before you go to bed. Linoleum throughout, nice flush slide. Your brand new 2024 Forest River Rockwood Mini LITE 2511. Work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving outside, your automotive windshield, LED docking light up front, power tongue jack, your 7-pin and chain holder, 2 30-pound LP bottles. You got the large battery box, rock guard up front, control here for that docking light. Dry weight on the 2511 is 5,828 pounds. Pass-through storage, lights, outside shower, your prep table, access panel here for your water filtration. You see a nice clean storage, slam latch. We did equip this with slide toppers over your slide outs. Easy access to your sewer, frameless windows, your storage here. Nice taller storage, again, slam latch. Looking at 30 amp service, your cable hookup, and then your gray pool valve and black here. Because it's the rear bath, you got 2 gray tanks. So 1 gray up front and your black and gray here. Spare tire mounted on the back. You prep for a backup camera. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, you got dual solar panels. Let's top your slide toppers, roof vent, skylight, Maxxair fan with a cover, TV antenna, nice clean roof. You got a receiver here for 300 pounds, nice for bike rack, storage bins, another outside shower spray port, which will reach all the way around here. Clean your steps, reach the griddle and everything. I'll show you in a second. Full length power awning with LED lights, large assist handle, control here for your rear stabilizer jacks. Your step above entry steps fold right in. You got that quick trigger for adjustment. Outside speakers, exhaust for your range. You got TV hookup already mounted on the wall. You can put your prep table here, your griddle here, and that tees right off your LP line. Back side of your hot water heater. We are looking at Goodyear Endurance tires, 14 inch. Control here for your front jacks. Other side of your pass-through storage. Nice magnets there for your backup cranks. You are prepped for a solar panel, which is portable. That'll trickle charge the batteries for you. Your brand new 2024 Forest River Rockwood Mini LITE 2511S. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper and person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, with the slide in, you can see you're not getting into the bedroom, but there's really no reason to. You got full access to the refrigerator, bathroom, no problems. Oven, storage,